The year is 1960. The world is in chaos. A war has broken out between the major powers, and the world is on the brink of destruction. In a small corner of the world, a lone pilot stands ready to defend his home. He is the last hope for his people, and he will not let them down. The pilot's name is Ace, and he is flying a small, outdated plane. But he is not alone. He is joined by a team of other pilots, all of whom are fighting for the same cause. The enemy is coming. They are led by a powerful tank, and they are determined to destroy the boundary. Ace and his team must stop them, or all will be lost.